So even over large shoes, I've got Solomon shoes on here, and these things seem to work. What I did, I just wet them down. I forgot my actual kind of like flipper shoes, so I wanted to see if they'll work on just normal kind of hiking shoes. And check it out, everybody. These things are just sliding on great. In this video, what I'm going to do, I'm going to go over a set of like swim fins, or actually dive fins. This is from the company Cressi, I think's how you would say that. And these are the booty style where you'll put so these are the shoe style where you'll slide your foot in there with a shoe on, and then it just clips right here. Very nice, very high quality here. You can see how they rotate up. And I got these in a size small medium, and I wear a size 9, and a small they run extremely big, everybody. So be careful. I actually read some of the reviews and they said they run big. So I purposely went with a small medium, which normally I'll do a large or extra large, and these actually still were a little big on me. So you want to size down almost 2 sizes, if that makes any sense. You could see the overall shape. They have this bent shape here. They have rubberized coating there. Pretty flexible on the bend. I was swimming around. I actually took them down to a local little lake here, and I swam around, and you can see how they're folding in the video pretty easy. They were super easy to get on and off. I was able to kind of come out of the water, take them on and off. They came in this package right here. It was basically just kind of wrapped up like this. This is a perfect set of affordable fins for anyone that's going to be doing any diving, snorkeling, or just kind of like kicking around a swimming pool, a river, a lake, or something like that. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the Cressi dive fins. See you all in the next video.